Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm called Rashida in case you're new to this channel. So guys, in today's video I'm here to show you this house which is for sale here in Nakasajja. The easiest way for me to direct you to Nakasajja is from Nakwero, from Gayaza or Nakwero, then Chijabijo. Then from Chijabijo, the next town is called Nakasajja. So we have a very big house or a spacious house here for sale. It's a 4-bedroom house. It has a dining, a living room, and a very nice, promising environment or neighborhood. Okay guys, let me show you the neighborhood. After that, I'll show you the house which is here for sale. Okay guys, we are going to start our video from here. Yeah, this is the neighborhood, as you can see. Yeah, this is the neighborhood. We have a kids playground over there, you see. This is the neighborhood. Then we have this estate road, Nakasajja. The house is over this side. Okay, let us go. I give you a good picture or a clear picture of the neighborhood. Then after, I show you the house which is here for sale. And the place is so quiet. Anyway, we don't have a lot of houses here, but the place is promising. Yeah, it's promising because the house which are built here, they are nice, as in the neighbors are trying to build very cute, nice houses. We have one here, as you can see. Then there are more houses over the other side. Okay, let us go or walk up to the other side. I show you even the neighborhood over the other side. Then after, we shall come back and I show you the house. So guys, this is still the neighborhood where the house is for sale. As you can see, these are the neighbors. Okay, this is the neighborhood we have over here. So the house is seated on a plot of 100 by 100 here in Nakasajja, and it's a developing estate, guys. Trust me, people are building very cute houses. As you have seen, the houses are really nice and the estate is really promising. Okay, so let us walk up to where the house is. Guys, those are still the neighbors surrounding this house which is for sale. So guys, this is the house which is for sale. It is seated on a plot of 100 by 100. Yeah, we have electricity already, as you can see, the wire, and national water is near here. Yeah, power is connected. I've shown them. So this is the house. The main entrance is locked, but what we are going to do, we are going to pass at the behind entrance. Okay, between guys, this is a road for the upper estate up there. That's the neighborhood. You see the neighbors have very cute houses. And let us go inside and we see how the house looks like. Okay, let us go. The house is seated on a plot of 100 by 100 and it's in Nakasajja. Yeah, it's in Nakasajja. So let us go inside and I show you the rooms. So this is the behind side of the house. We have a little garden. Even this garden, erimu protiemu like bagitundirakoe. So this is the behind side. The behind side of the house. Guys, the house is so big. It's a 4-bedroom house. It has a living room, dining, kitchen, then 4 bedrooms with a bathroom and a toilet. Okay, let us enter. So guys, we entered from the behind door because the main door is locked. From the behind door, which is this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen, and it's a spacious kitchen. It has enough space. The kitchen has a window over there. You see guys, this is a kitchen. Then when you use the behind door, when you enter like this side takes us to the bedrooms. Then this side takes us to the living room and the dining. Okay, let us first see the living room and the dining, then I'll take you to the rest of the rooms. Over this side, we have this main entrance with a window over there and a French window over here. Guys, and the living room is spacious. It's big. It's so big, guys. You see? Electricity over there, the ceiling is already worked on, the plastering of the house and the tiles. So, from the living room, we have a dining over there. We have that arch that separates the living room and the dining. So, over this side, this is the dining. From the dining, we have this serving window, which brings us back to the kitchen. Okay, let me give you this view from the dining to the living room, guys. You see? Yeah, this is a house. It's a 4-bedroom house here in Nakasajja. Then over this side, it takes us to the bedrooms. Okay, guys. So we have the first bedroom over here. This is the first bedroom, and it's also spacious, guys. The bedroom is so big. Trust me, it's a big bedroom. You see, guys, electricity already there. So this is the first bedroom. It's a 4-bedroom house. Then over here, let me first show you the bedrooms. Then over here, we have a second bedroom here. Okay, to buy the house, you need to put the tiles in the bedrooms, okay? So this is the second bedroom. Then over this side, we have the third bedroom. As you can see, this is the third bedroom. Then we have the 4th bedroom here, but it's locked. Yeah, we have a 4th bedroom over here, although the 4th bedroom is locked. Then over this side, we have the toilet. Guys, the toilet is also big. So this is the toilet. So there are no tiles in the toilet, just the plastering. And then over this side, we have a spacious bathroom. You see, guys? So this house is sold 250 million. It's a 4-bedroom house seated on a plot of 100 by 100, and it's located in Nakasajja. Guys, addition on the house for sale, we also have this plot for sale. It's near the road. You can build shops here if you want, or you can build your house in case you want. Okay, let me show you the plot for sale. So I have been told that the plot starts from here, between these banana plants and the other one. So it starts from the middle there, then it goes to the and it goes up to here. It's a 50 by 100. So from those banana plants to this side, yeah, to somewhere here, then we walk up to here. As you can see, this is the main road. So that's why I said you can buy this plot no Zimbabwe by Maduka, because the estate is developing. So within a very few years from now, trust me, it will be a developed estate. Let me show you. You see, guys, the neighborhood. Yeah, people are building beautiful, beautiful houses in this neighborhood, as you can see. So let me show you where the plot ends from. They told me, let me see, from up to here. Is it here or the other coffee plant? I'm not so sure, but I have been told it's a 50 by 100 and it's on the main road. So in case you are interested in buying these two property, the other house and this plot, you can leave a comment there. Okay, so guys, in case you are interested in buying any of this plot, either the other house or this land or the plot, you can let me know. You can leave a comment down below and I'll text you my number. Then we shall talk and I bring you this side where the properties are. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In case you have not subscribed, leave a comment down below, like the video, give it a thumb up. So I'll say goodbye for now and see you in my next video.